surprise. All right, this one is on the opposite end of the spectrum. This was posted 7 hours ago inside of Oddly Terrifying. Huge bat attacks camera. Go ahead and click play on this. Well.
Whoa, he's beautiful.
Whoa. What the? His dingling is hanging out.
Okay, so
The cameraman is just like,
first of all though, he doesn't attack the camera.
okay.
Well, I mean, at least he's not attacking it. I mean, maybe it's a different type of attack. You can click play, keep it going, Will. Don't. All right, don't you dare. This is not actually a bat. I know it looks a lot like a bat, but this is that giant thing. It's like a flying fox or something like that.
Okay.
And it's a terrifying creature
It
nonetheless.
looks really big.
Hanging upside down. Yeah, it's oh, there, it does attack the camera. Never mind. I never made it to that
Swiped
point. I feel like it went on replay for me before it could actually show that portion.
Oh, maybe Reddit's kind of broken right now.
It was
at 35
yeah,
seconds.
that was weird. Anyway, it does smack the camera. That's amazing. I mean, this guy gets a little close to it. I'm surprised how comfortable it is around humans.
Yeah.
Oh, he made a noise. He went, brr.
Oh.
He went, brr, and then it attacked. But I want you to go back to the beginning.
Where there's balls and...
Because that was a shock to the system, right? It's not what you expect.
Why is he filming that, like, in such a weird angle?
What do you want him to do? Where do you want him to go? I mean,
Don't film.
Why?
I don't know.
Where is he supposed to go?
The bat's exposed.
Well, yeah, the bat's exposed. Bats don't wear clothes, Will. All animals are exposed.
I just want to see the back of it.
It's when he made the noise. He gets swiped at. Wow,
Yeah.
what a crazy animal. But yeah, I think it's called a flying fox. Go to Google Images just so we can be certain that it's not an actual bat. Yeah, that's definitely what it is. It's a flying fox. How wild is this thing?
Whoa, look at this one.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. Look at the one where it's actually in the air, the top left. Top left, yeah. Like it looks like a flying fox. It's one of the craziest looking animals in the world. And, but I never noticed the exposure of, the balls and all that. I never noticed it up until.
Yeah. Well, I guess it's
clip.
there.
It's got to be there.
It's got to be there.
It's got to be there. It's got to be there. So